we come to the elevators at 7620 Little River Turnpike in Annandale, Virginia. We have some Otis Lexans. It's the original. Here we're in the basement. Door close button works. Here we are at 6. Watch the button there. Door close button works. I love that. Let's get to the cabinet. This is a nice elevator. These are your fixtures. So ThyssenKrupp maintains because of the HelpLink. And here we are at 1. Capacity 2,900 pounds. And we're gonna send this one up. And ride this one. Ride the other car. Look at this. Here we are in the basement. Door close button works. Going up to 6. So this elevator is still original today. Here we are at 6. Going down to 1. Let's get us to the cab view. This is a nice elevator. So your fixtures, call links down here, 2,500 pounds. And here we are down at 1. And here's your Otis nameplate. And there it goes. Take a picture. Take a picture of the, and so that's gonna be it.